Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Baseus Bowie M2 Plus with iPhone or iPad. To do this, you have to remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case, charge them for like 20 minutes and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to just simply open this charging case and put it close to your iOS device. Right now you have to go to the settings, select Bluetooth, then turn it on with this switcher, and now from the devices list you have to pick your earbuds. Okay, as you can see, we are successfully connected, and you can also get the Baseus application. So go to the App Store, type Baseus and get this application. Click to install. Right now we can open, accept all the permissions on the screen, click to add device if you are not automatically connected, and from the available devices list click on this dot, then tap to add device, click OK, and as you can see we are successfully connected. That's all for this video, hope you like it.